Hi everyone, Immortal here. So today in this tutorial I'll show you guys how to download and install a Kali Linux machine in VirtualBox. So first go to your browser and simply go to a website named kali.org. So this is what the website looks like. So I need to install or download 64-bit from my virtual machine. So simply VMR 64-bit. This is 2.2 gigabytes of total space after successfully downloading. I have to create a new session in VirtualBox just like this. Give a proper name, machine folder, type, and version. I give here Debian 64-bit and memory size, or RAM. Customize the RAM for 2 gigabytes for Kali Linux in my virtual machine. Simply click Create. Look guys, here create a Kali machine. I already have Kali Linux installed before, so we have to configure some basic settings. Just check the network, and optical is the first option in the boot order box and processor. I take 2 processors and enable extend features and display. Just click the box in VGA. This is just checking enable storage, and here I have to add a disk file where I downloaded the Kali Linux. Here is my Kali Linux and link to the VirtualBox machine with Kali Linux. Now successfully completed all the things and ready to go. All completed, now successfully run the Linux. Okay, that's it guys. If you like this video and want to watch more content related to Linux cybersecurity or ethical hacking, then subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.
Yeah.